I'm going to show you some of the things you can do with Quizlet. So once I get to Quizlet, it's easy to create my own flashcards by clicking on Create. Then you just need to put in a title, enter the term, and the definition. I can also add pictures and voice recordings, and once I have it all done, I'll click Create. So super easy. But something that's really awesome is if you go to search, not only can you search for any topic that you want, but you can also do a search for Katy ISD. And if you have it capitalized like this with no space between Katy and ISD, then whenever you hit enter, it'll pull up some flashcards and games that are already created with our vocabulary. So it's broken down by grade level, subject, and unit. So let's say I want to do 4th grade geometry. I can click on that. It pulls up the flashcards, and then I can click to flip it and advance. I can also do other activities within Quizlet. So this one is called Learn It. There's also writing, spelling, a test. And then the games are matching, gravity, and you can play live. So this kind of turns it into a Kahoot type game. I'm going to go ahead and pull up live. Click Create Game, and then Create Game again. Now students can go to this URL, www.quizlet.live, on a computer, a Chromebook, or an iPad, and you can turn off the music as well. So let's say I want to share this set with my students. I have a few options. I can click on Share, and then they would just need to go to this URL. I can save this so that I can use it in the future by clicking on Customize. I can change anything that I want and then click Create. And I can add it to a folder so that I can organize it a little bit easier. If I don't want to customize anything, I like it as is, all I have to do is hit the plus sign and then add it to a folder or create a new folder. One other really awesome thing about Quizlet is that I can embed this directly into Canvas. So I can put this into an assignment, a discussion, I can put it into just a page. And so I'm going to have this be my vocab practice page. If I click on this little V that goes to more external tools, I can scroll down to Quizlet. And then here I can search for anything. Let's say I want to do something on space. I can look at all of the space activities that have been created. If I click on it, I can preview it to see if it's one that I want to use. And if I don't think it's going to work for me, then I can always go back and find a different one. And then if I want to use those Katy ISD ones, I can search for Katy ISD, find the one that I want. I'll do personal financial literacy. Choose a study mode, so this is what's pulled up first, and then students can always change it. And now I'm going to click Embed. And then there we go. Now let's say I'm looking for my own and I'm having trouble finding it. I can go back to Quizlet, click on Share. Actually, no. Click on the 3 dots and then click on Embed. And I want it to start out on the test. I'm going to copy the HTML. go back to Canvas. I'm going to insert media, embed, and then paste that code there. And so now it pulls it up. So you'll only need to do it that way if it's one that you've created and that you're having trouble finding in the search. Otherwise, if you're just using one of the Katy ISD ones, it's a lot easier to search for it. So now I'm going to save my page, and then this is what students would see. So they can go to this page in Canvas.
Income before taxes and other
practice their
deductions.
vocabulary.